Whilst heading out on the road remains a risk, there are definitely things you can do to reduce the chance of being involved in an accident. So let's start with the obvious. Any amount of alcohol in your system will definitely impact your ability to react quickly if needed, as will tiredness. That said, it's not just a driver that needs to be tip-top, the vehicle does too. You should always maintain your vehicle in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendations. This includes things like regular oil and filter changes, brake and tyre inspections also. The legal minimum tyre tread depth is at least 1.6mm, but at Cars we advise a minimum tyre tread depth of 3mm. Your regular service usually covers a majority of the manufacturer's recommended components. If you experience any noises like knocking, rattling or dashboard lights start to appear, this suggests that you may need to take a trip to your local repairer. For example, a rhythmic knocking sound could indicate a damaged tyre wall and could result in a serious accident if driven at speed. Skilled technicians can perform diagnostic tests to address and rectify problems, sometimes before the issue escalates too far. You should regularly clean your vehicle, especially the windows, mirrors, registration plates and lights. This is extremely important when travelling out in poor weather conditions and low light. Some vehicles have a small plastic square cover. This is usually located within the front lower bumper grille area. This is the cover for the front radar module, and this module is a key component within the active braking safety system. This cover must be kept clean at all times. You should also carry out regular checks on your wipers and keep your screen wash topped up at all times.